Welcome to Manley's Belvidere Ford, your premier destination for purchasing a vehicle. And here's a look at another one of our great vehicles in inventory, and comes equipped with heated front seats, alloy wheels, rear spoiler, Sirius XM satellite radio, keyless entry, roof rack, steering wheel controls, electronic stability control, tire pressure monitoring system, parking sensors, and has less than 40,000 miles on the odometer. Since 1883, the Manley name brand has been proudly serving our community. As the world's second oldest Ford dealer, we are locally owned and community focused. We pride ourselves on outstanding customer service. We're a little different and a whole lot better. So come visit us here at Manley Belvidere Ford. You'll be glad you did. We're located at 1800 North Street in Belvidere.